I'm Chase Hacker. I've been here at Warren High School for 16 years. This is my 16th year in this shop and teaching construction technology in the CTE program. This year we were given an opportunity to build 3 storage sheds for Alamo Transportation Authority. I believe they have workers out in the field that live basically in trailers.
Yeah.
And these are their storage sheds because they don't have garages and such like that. So we were given the opportunity from CCA to build 3 of the sheds that they normally build over there on their site. So that's what this project is about this year. From start to finish, we get a set of plans and then we analyze the plans. What are we going to be building? What are the different components in the framing stages? Because we're all about carpentry in this project. And so teaching the students how to frame everything from the actual floor structure, the wall structure, the roof, and then putting the siding on top of that, putting the decking, the shingles, the whole process. Basically, if it was a slab, it would be on a concrete slab, but this one's a built floor system to the roof.
My name is Raquenta. I'm with
Kevin.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. What are safety protocols in construction?
PPE, personal protective equipment, where we wear safety glasses, hard hats, and closed-toed shoes.
Okay. And do you think learning the skills in construction program are difficult to learn?
I would say it's pretty difficult to learn. It came natural to me because I've lived my whole life doing construction and just working with my hands. It can be hard at times, but it's all just a learning process.
Okay. What do you plan to do in the future with the skills you've learned?
I want to do an indoor home remodeling business.
What do you like most about this construction program?
I just like hands-on working. You know, it's not like a normal class where you work on paper. We're outside and we're doing work and we're learning as well.
Okay. And how has this program allowed you to work together as a team?
It builds connections and it just like brings us all together because like we're all working on the same thing. Like the sheds that we're building out back, we're all working together to build one thing. And I think that's like great for us to do together as a group.